So in this tutorial, you will learn how to turn a photo into a vector art. Let's get started. Go to the image size. Image resolution should be 300 ppi and image size should be in range between 2000 to 3000 pixels. Now duplicate your main layer. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Hide the background layer. For removing the background of the photo, go to the select menu, subject. Now in the right bottom, add vector mask option. Now select the background layer, then go and make a solid layer. Change whatever color you want, then OK. Select both the layers, then right click and choose merge layers. Now we will create oil paint filter on this layer. So select the first layer, press Ctrl J to duplicate. With duplicated layer selected, go to filter menu, sharpen, smart sharpen. Now change amount to 240%, radius to 3.0 pixels and increase noise to 30%. Change remove option to Gaussian blur and then click OK. Now with your layer selected, go to the filter menu, stylize and choose diffuse. Change mode to anisotropic, then click OK. Now click on image menu, image rotation, then choose a 90-degree clockwise. Apply diffuse filter again. Rotate another 90-degree clockwise. Apply the filter again. Rotate again. And so on until you make a complete rotation. Now after completing a one rotation, let's sharpen our image. With layer selected, go to filter menu, then sharpen and click on smart sharpen. Leave values as they are, then click OK. Now again let's make another rotation to increase the oil effect density. Now apply the diffuse filter, then choose anisotropic and click OK. Rotate the image 90-degree clockwise and repeat these two steps until you make a full rotation. Let's speed things up. Okay. Now let's apply the smart sharpen filter again. Leave values as they are, then click OK. Now let's see before and after. Great. Now delete the layer 1. We don't need it anymore. Now we will create effect on the image. Right click on the layer, then choose convert to smart object. Press Ctrl J to duplicate it twice. Rename the layers. Hide these two layers and select hard layer. Now with this layer selected, go to filter menu and click on filter gallery. Under artistic folder, choose the cutout filter. Change number of levels to 8, edge simplicity to 5 and edge fidelity to 1. Then click OK. Again go to the filter menu, sharpen and choose unsharp mask. Change amount to 150%, radius to 2 pixels, threshold to 0 levels. Then click OK. Now move to the soft layer, make it visible. Then go to filters, click on filter gallery. With the cutout filter selected, just keep values as they are. Only change edge simplicity to 6. Then click OK. Now double click this little icon to change the filter opacity. Change opacity to 35%. Then click OK. Again with layer selected, go to filter gallery. With the cutout filter selected, change edge fidelity to 2. Then click OK. Again double click here and change opacity to 35%. Last step, with layer selected, go to filter, sharpen, and then choose unsharp mask filter. Change amount to 250%, radius to 2 and threshold to 0. Click OK. Now change this layer opacity to 50%. As you can see, this soft layer adds a lot of details to our final output. Now let's add some other details. Select high pass layer and make it visible. Then go to filter menu, other, and click on high pass filter. Change radius to 2, click OK. Change blend mode to overlay. This will add some extra sharpening and details to our final output. Now select all 3 layers and press Ctrl G to group them. Rename it to effect. Let's add some adjustment layers. First we will add levels. Make it little darker. Now add vibrance layer. Increase both vibrance and saturation. Select all these layers and press Ctrl G to group them. Rename it to adjustments. Now see the final result, before and after. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.